Good morning. I just realized I got the old hat and not the new AMR hat that I just got. A trabajar. Finally at the headquarters. I'm gonna go in and get my unit and wait for the partner. There's the baby they gave us. I actually like this truck. It's pretty nice and new. Only downside to this one, it has no Wi-Fi. Pero normal. I just now I go in here, check out the truck, make sure we have all the airway stuff, all the stuff is required, stair chair, backboard, make sure it's clean, set it up, all the seat collars, all the BLS stuff, and then we head out. This is William, my partner. He's helping check out the truck he just got here. Late as always. All done. Everything's nice and clean. Everything's organized. We got all the stuff we need right there. BLS bag. Gucci. About to head out. Dale que nos fuimos. En route to Florida Turnpike, North Canton. I just sit here. Yeah, I just hang out. He does all the work. Two of us were heading down south. They got the hit. We're happy. Okay. First call, we have an IFT. So now we gotta go pick up this patient. Alright, so we're done with that call. Now we just got a helicopter call, a helipad call. Basically all we do is just, here's the helipad. We wait for the helicopter to come with the patient and we put him on our stretcher and take him to the ER. Done. Simple calls, quick and easy, so we just hang out until the helicopter comes. See you guys. Alright, so we dropped that patient off, the one from the helicopter. Then this thing doesn't want to work. Try fixing it, try getting internet from another unit. Nothing, so we're going to take it back to headquarters and get another one. So currently en route to our third call. We went ahead in headquarters and got a new tablet. Hopefully it's working fine. We haven't tested it out. I mean, kind of tested it out, but not really.
Keep right towards Florida's Turnpike.
So far, so good. Glove has a hole. Definitely won't be able to see it, but it has a hole. And I also got my schedule for my paramedic rides with my FTO to upgrade to paramedic here at the AMR. Next week it starts. Made it to hopefully our last call. Check that out. How the fuck? Weird. Alright. Gonna go bring down the patient and be done. Hopefully.
05 Northwest 119th Street. Reportable for the county. Also 41 distance. Correction.
Esto es la ciudad que progresa. Nada, nadie.